Let's get that.
Oh, look, I've got a magpie. I wonder where that one was. Oh, I'll get cold now.
Oh, you doing a put jacket
No,
on?
I'm in a blast of heat here, it's fine.
You're
I
fine?
didn't put my thermal underwear on today.
Okay, right, page 5.
Okay,
Yay!
are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Right, after page 4, we're doing a nice, in theory, simple flip flap. So you have a flip flap here, a little tuck-in pocket there, and then that also takes, when you open it up, you've got another tuck in there, and you've got a tuck in there. And I've just seen that, and I realised I found it earlier, and I thought, oh, where's that come from? Okay, so let's put that over there. So make sure you've marked your pages, page 5 pointing up, page 6 pointing up. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, as always, is stick our flap on first, and this one is going to be 2 inches in from the edge, and again all the measurements and everything are on the PDF. So we'll take this off.
You're going to have wiggle room or not?
Yes, I'm going to put glue on and have wiggle room. Piece of paper behind to make sure that's nice and straight. Okay, so burnish. Take that out. Burnish down here as well. Okay, so that's like that. Okay, so I'm just going to flick it over so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so on my decorative paper that I've already cut, this one is going to stick. Am I in the middle, Kay? Am I okay?
Yeah, you're going towards you, Tad, actually.
Okay, that way?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Okay, that one's stuck on there. Right, I can see I'm crooked. This is artist tack. I've got new glasses, but I'm not sure they've been much of a help, really.
So you can't blame it on your glasses any longer?
No, I can't. It's my
It's
eyes.
you.
It's me, Mrs. Wonky.
It was the last 6 months or last year because you come in and get to the opticians.
Yes, yeah. So I think I'm going to stick my magnet next. Okay. So just take that glue out because it's sticking. Okay. So take your trusty piece of card. Find your halfway mark. And just pop it on there. So mag pop. You don't want it right on the edge, you want it in, probably leave about 1/4 of an inch there, because otherwise you'll see it when you put your decorative paper if it's right on the edge. Finish that there, and then the same again, you're going to take, oh, I already had one prepared, okay. Okay, so pop that on there, okay. So stick on there like that, pop that down there. Oh, don't take both magnets off, that's not a good idea. Okay, so burnish that one. Burnish that one again because I popped it off. Okay. Okay. And these are really nice, strong magnets. And what else have we done, Kay? We've sourced
some different sizes
for you as well. So smaller ones, but also thinner ones.
Yeah.
But these are still our go-to ones.
Yes.
So right, okay, so that's that there. So now I'm going to stick my pocket onto here. And I don't want to impinge my hinge, but I'm going to stick this on first. And I've taken the label off that says which way up. I'm just going to check I've got the it's got text on it, so I'll make sure I've got it the right way up. Yeah, that's the way up. Okay, now if you find, I should have said this at the beginning and I completely forgot, if you find that it's quite hard getting your tuckings, you know, tucking things in, just before you stick your pocket, just warm and stretch your card just a little bit, just so it's not completely flat when you stick it, and then it's easier to tuck things in. You don't need to do very much, just very lightly, and then it's easier to tuck things in. So that's that there. That's all ready to go. That's going to go on there like that. I like the patterns and solids in this collection as well. I just think it was all really nicely done.
Yeah, sometimes they're not as good as they could be.
Yeah.
They're a bit gross. These are really nice. I think it's because I like the green shades.
I like the green. I think the green shades are lovely. I think that is a lovely pattern. Okay, right. So that's that one there. So then that's going to be a pocket there.
Make sure it doesn't impinge.
Text is there, and I'm going to check it doesn't impinge.
Don't mention it in passing.
Thank you.
Just to prove that I'm awake.
Let's change. Okay, so pop that there, and let's just lift that up and make sure. Actually, what you could do is actually do it like that if you wanted to. Just double check. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so that's up there. Now, just checking on this, I'll put that on next. Okay, right, so that's that done. And then inside here, to open this up, I'm going to have, that's going to be there. Take that off. Okay, so that's going to be there. That's going to be there, and I've got a decorative strip that's going to fit in there. And then on this side, you're going to have this one, and you're going to have a flap there as well, like that. Okay, so we'll stick this one on first.
So is it going to be a flap or a decorative pocket?
It's going to be a pocket because it's got a...
Oh, so you said flap, and I was just making sure.
Oh, sorry, yeah, it's the inside of the flap, sorry. Ooh, you're super awake today. Oh, I just heard a yawn.
You did hear a yawn. Yes, you did. I've got to have lunch yet, I'll be even worse after.
Yeah, lunchtime. Okay, so we'll pop this one on here. Text is that way, so it's going to be that side, so we'll just, you can do it over the edge of a table if you want to as well, to stretch it, but do it, if that's the edge of your table, then just pull it down like that. But I just prefer to do it that way. Okay, so that's stretched, so that's going to stick on there, and you want to make sure you don't sticks, just check. Yeah, that's okay. You can usually see where your fold line is anyway, but it's always a good idea just to
make sure.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. And then before I stick that bit in, these are our debossed page tabs, okay, and these are our little journal stamps, just for like helping people that aren't used to albums, lift the flap, place photo here.
No, I've gone in, and that bit is the tabs set in centrally.
Oh, this is central.
Yeah, so,
okay.
so if you,
right,
yeah.
so that's the stamps. That's the stamps there, and I'm going to take off a little tiny one, lift the flap, and I'm just going to, I'm actually using one of our clever mitre tools just to use as a stamp platform, because it has got a little line there. Okay, so we recommend the best way to do it is normally you take your pad to your stamp, but because this is tiny, we take the stamp to the pad and then just pop it on and go down like that. Okay, so now I'm going to do one on here. Don't put me off. Okay, there we are.
There you go.
Perfect. Took ages, but never mind.
I can breathe.
Have I done it the right way though? Oh yes, I have. Oh, that's a relief. I was just about to go no. Okay, so we'll just find our central bit again. And I'm just going to fold that in half.
So I'll zoom back out again, sorry.
That's okay, that's fine. Let's just fold it in half. And I'm just going to stick that.
Okay.
And these are great because you can put magnets in either side of here and you can use them as like clamshells.
Yeah.
To click on things.
There's lots of things you can do in those.
Okay, pop that on there. Roughly in the middle. That's fine.
So I assume you're going to glossy out then.
Of course, it would be rude not to. I'll just put that. I don't want to rub that too much because the VersaFine takes a little while to dry, doesn't it?
Yes.
And if you wanted to, if you didn't like the tab showing there, I quite like it showing there, but you could stick that on before you put that thing on, page on. Okay, so the last bit we're going to do is this bit here.
What are you looking for?
Oh, it's there. I'm looking for my strip, but it's there. Okay, so that's going to go there. That's going to go there. And I've done it so you can see pattern matches.
Okay.
Oh, you can also see, look, we made a mistake there.
Oh, we've definitely got a video on those.
So you've got an invisible repair
I
there.
didn't notice that until you turned it over.
Yeah, there you are, you see. So we show you how to do that. So
In fact, there's only one so far.
yeah, I'm quite sure there's a few more along the way.
We haven't done it. It's the first one so far.
Okay, so I'll pop that in there. So yeah, anything, we've got all sorts of hints and tips on the videos. If you make a mistake or you think, oh, I shouldn't have done that, you know, you can always, there's usually a way to get out of it. Or if something else has happened that you're not sure about, get in touch.
I think it'll be on the playlist of album construction.
Yeah.
Probably.
Okay. But yeah, if you get stuck with anything else, just give us a shout. Right, actually, what I'm going to do is stick this one next.
Sure?
Yes, because, yeah, okay, so that one's going to stick. Ooh, thank you, Kay. It's nearly lunchtime. Okay, so let's stick that one on there, and I can see I need to trim my black card. Okay, so that's, yeah, that's like that. Then we're going to stick this one on, not stick it on the front flap. Stick that one on there, and then that one is going to stick on there like that. Let's just wet that off now. Good job you noticed that, Kay.
You've been a horrible mess.
Okay, make sure it's up the right way. Pop it down. Pop it down. Make sure that shuts easily, and it does. And you'll see on the picture of the original one I did, I've got bits and pieces stuck on here, but you can stick on whatever you like, and I will put something on there afterwards to cover it, probably a butterfly or something, because I've got the glue there and that will annoy me now. So, okay, so that is page
5.